How's it going, guys? I'm back with another trade recap. I know I was gonna do these every day, but I got really sick and I'm back. I feel better now. I'm still pretty sick, but hopefully I'm back to doing these every day without fail, showing you guys what trades I'm taking, what trades I'm not taking, and yeah, let's get into it. So to start off the day, I was pretty bearish. I didn't really want to see price move higher. Price had pumped higher yesterday, Wednesday, and Tuesday, so I didn't expect price to move any higher. And we only had really one good buy side draw on liquidity, and it was this intermediate term high here. So it really, if price wanted to go higher, I would want to see a day of price just ripping higher, inversing this 4 hour and this 4 hour, going up all the way to this buy side. I knew we weren't going to get that today because we had an expansion yesterday and also expansion the previous day, Tuesday. So I was thinking price is probably going to be bearish, at least bearish to the 4 hour here, this unmitigated 4 hour. Now price does look like it's going to inverse it, which I think it will. Going back to our 1 minute and market open, price just dumped, market open, no manipulation. You can look at this little move as manipulation. Price came up, mitigated the NWOG. We have a pretty good sized NWOG. I have the dealing range measured out. It's like a 70-point NWOG, pretty good. Price dumps, no retrace. When I saw the dump, I was like, okay, we're probably bearish here. I had this 1 hour condition where if price inverses this, I'm 100% bearish, so I'm waiting for the 10 o'clock close. 10 o'clock candle closes, inverses this, okay, bearish obviously, but before that, I'm obviously bearish. If price comes down, we chop, we take sell side, Asia low, relative equal low, we chop, and after that, really no entries. We have a 5 minute made. Yeah, ideally I'd like to see price retrace to the 5 minute, but usually I've found on bearish days, price just will just dump. Price will be super heavy, offer very little retraces, and just dump. And you could trade, realistically, yeah, you could trade like that. You could trade off minor retraces on like a 30-second, go into a 30-second. You could trade off of this, like here, come up, failing, making a little failure swing, failing to take this, respecting this 30-second, moving lower, and then yeah, you could trade like this. It'd be risky, but it would work. But there was no entries that I really liked, and I only take entries that I think are going to work, and I have full conviction and they're going to work. But yeah, price is very choppy. We move lower and we continue moving lower. My original draw on liquidity for the day was the 4 hour CE. We had this unmitigated 4 hour. I would have liked to seen price come down, sweep all of the liquidity made overnight, and as well as this previous day liquidity, this low, not this low, and tap into 4 hour CE, reverse, and move higher for the rest of the day. We didn't do that. Price completely dumps and continues dumping 400 points all the way down to Tuesday, I believe. Yeah, Tuesday's liquidity, but we did have really nice LRLR here, trend line liquidity, generated liquidity, whatever you want to call it. So this does make sense to me. Price comes down to here. We wanted all this. We have a bunch of relative equal lows and LRLR. Price puts in a really prominent low, and then this would be the point of price moving higher. So no, I didn't want longs either. No longs. There wasn't actually any long entries. No long entries here. No short entries. You could enter short here on a 30-second inverse, but again, same deal. It's risky. I personally would have liked to have seen price kind of chop up and sweep just some minor buy side, and then like a 30-second entry lower. That's what I like to see, but we didn't get that. Obviously, price was just continuously making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Yeah, it's pretty good bearish structure, but it can be risky where if you get a really good stop rate running up, would it stop you out and then going back down lower, and that's what you'd want to wait for, is the stop rate to enter there. But yeah, pretty good day. No trades, dumped, and yeah, that's about it. Hope to see you guys tomorrow.